You're watching Plant Identification Through Personal Investigation with Angeline Whitmire. This is video E of the series titled A Detailed Study of Keys Used in Field Guides. We've looked at keys based on a flower's color, a key based on a plant's parts, and we've practiced using a dichotomous key with two different plants. Now, let's work with the pictorial key, as used in the shrub identification book. With this type of key, we will be matching the plant we are trying to identify with the photos of various types of plant parts: thorns, leaves, flowers, fruit, twigs, and bark. With this key, we don't need to have all the plant parts to work with. However, the more we have, the easier it becomes to make an accurate identification. Let's work with this plant, found in the woods in the fall, which has several identifiable plant parts. Starting with pictorial key number 2 for leaves, we choose from 4 basic leaf types: alternate simple leaves, alternate compound leaves, opposite compound leaves, and opposite simple leaves. This leaf grows alternately along the stem, and it's a simple leaf. Within the alternate simple leaves category, we have a choice of with teeth evident along edges of leaf, or without teeth, entire, or with indistinct teeth. This leaf has teeth, so we'll look at the photos on pages 1 through 11 of the Leaves section of the book. Leaf page 4 has 2 photos of a leaf that looks like ours. They are labeled as witch hazel. Now let's see what comes up when we look through key number 3 for flowers. This key has 8 choices for flowers. Flowers mostly in small clusters along the stems, flowers in the form of catkins, flat flower clusters, mostly at the ends of the stems, rounded or elongated flower clusters, mostly at the end of the stems, bell-shaped flowers, trumpet-shaped or deeply cut flowers, pea-type flowers. Of these 8 choices, the best one is the first one: flowers mostly in small clusters along the stems. Let's look on pages 1 through 3 of the Flowers section. Page 3 shows the witch hazel flowers, which look exactly like our plant, and the flower color is noted as being yellow. The third plant part we have documented is the fruit. Let's just see what this field guide has in key number 4 for fruit. This key has 4 sections: acorns, nuts, pods, capsules, and similar fruit. That's what we've got. Berry-like fruit, miscellaneous fruit. Pages 2 through 8 have photos of the pods, capsules, and similar fruit. And here's the witch hazel photo. Well, we probably would not have been able to make a match between just this photo and the photo we have of the fruit, since the black and white photo's details are not easy to read. However, since the other 2 plant parts definitely indicate this is witch hazel, then this third part is just for confirmation of what we've already determined. Now for the final step. Next to the witch hazel label each time was the number 38. This means we can turn to master page number 38 for more information about witch hazel, including its scientific name, Hamamelis virginiana. We just studied the use of a pictorial key based on a plant's different parts to identify a shrub. In the next video, we'll use a method of identifying a plant's family first, followed by its genus and species. I invite you to visit identifythatplant.com for more plant identification resources and information. You've been watching Plant Identification Through Personal Investigation with Angeline Whitmire.